Ok, mình là Lộc nhá, ông đúng easy quit channel này chưa rồi đấy nha. Nó đi rồi thì mình sang công hâm đi công bao gì mà bố sát sát kim chi vào yêu hình channel đi uống nó bị tao này vậy. Hú đồ mua lên xây dựng này rồi, nhà lại phải lại hình đi cấp ba. À đi các bạn mình xí cái này nó quay yêu kim chi bé bé rồi chứ bà đấy, bé bé mau thay channel ya bà đấy vậy. Aya là được cái rosa, được giá tám mông kêu gì bé ngâm dài chỉ nhiều tim mông này nhiều con mông thế bà mẹ. Nè mũi hút trắc số này nó nhiều tí gì chất lượng này là bên nó chất lượng như thế vậy. Sao chế bộ dress này nó quay yorio gì thì sao xí sao vậy? Ví dụ như nó gì bốc quá số này gì mà tốt nênเราthép chịu rồi gì này chẳng xí sao vậy? Ra mà đời hình gì à chỉ biết đó hình này chẳng mà vậy.
Think that I've seen this show before. Thought that I never could regret you.
Nó hình chế bộ dress mình xem mà vậy. Chất lượng gì của cái gái tháo vào mấy chất lượng gì của nó cho nó quan lại lý vào mấy vậy. Nhiều gì của nó thay trang phải bị nó chất lượng mình này mình của nó luôn xem tháo vào mấy.
So many times you've been stuck in my head, freezing you out and then you're back in my bed. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. So many times I thought of things that you said.
ဟင်းရချမ်းမဲ့အိုရဲကိုရေခမ်းများများလေးထည့်ပြီးတော့ကြက်သွန်ပြူရဲ့နန်းနန်းမြစ်ကစားနဲ့ဝယ်ရိုးတွေကိုထည့်ပြီးတော့ပွက်လာအောင်တည်ထားပါမယ်
I know that you still think of me. Yeah, and I guess that it makes me crazy. When I'm alone, my whole life seems hazy. One minute I let go, next I'm crawling to you. Always hope I can change your mind. Always hope I'm not out of line. Not good with promises, but I can take this loneliness. You asked permission and I let you. Like if I never even met you.
ရေပွက်လာပြီဆိုရင်တော့အရသာအတွက်တရားအသားမုံခီးဦးစီပဲငံပြရဲ့ချင်းငြူပြီးမှုံငြူကောင်းမုံတို့ထည့်ပြီးတော့အသားနူးလောင်အောင်ထပ်တည်ထားပါမယ်ဗျာ
Could regret you. And then you act like I'm a stranger. Maybe I guess I like it too much, yeah. So many times you've been stuck in my head.
အသားနူးလာပြီဆိုရင်တော့ကင်ချီကြက်သွန်တွေနဲ့ငြူသီးစိမ်းတို့ထည့်ပါမယ်အရသာလေးဝင်တော့အောင်ဖုံးလေးခဏပြန်အုပ်ပြီးခဏတည်ထားပြီးပါဗျာ
I know that you still think of me. So many times I thought of things that you've said. Laughing too loud while you were giving me head. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. So many times you've been stuck in my head, freezing you out and then you're back in my bed. Say that we're done.
ဒီတိုင်းတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ပဲပြထည့်ပါမယ်နန်းနန်းမင်းနဲ့ချက်သွန်မြစ်တွေထည့်ပြီးတော့အနံလေးမှုေးလောင်တည်ထားပါမယ်ဗျာ
So many times I thought of things that you've said. Laughing too loud while you were giving me head. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me.
ကဲအခုနန်းနန်းမင်းနဲ့ချက်သွန်မြစ်အနံလေးလည်းမှုေးလာပြီဟင်းအနံလေးကလည်းတော်တော်လေးမှုေးလာပြီဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့စားလို့ကောင်းမဲ့ကင်ချီဟင်းတွေတစ်ခွက်ရပါပြီဗျာ
That you still think of me.
ကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ဒီဗီဒီယိုလေးကိုကြိုက်တဲ့ဆိုရင်တော့ like and subscribe လေးလုပ်ထားပြီးခဲ့ဖို့မမေ့ပါနဲ့နော်အဆုံးထိကြည့်ရှုပေးရတဲ့ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာအားလုံးအဆင်ပြေကြပါစေ